Meet the British teachers who have brought new meaning to the term excess baggage. Nick Goh and Richard Sears were attempting to break the record for the longest journey around the world in a tuk-tuk when their motorised rickshaw broke down in Peru.
So our journey was actually relatively depressing because we kept on having to get it fixed every 1 or 2 days, and we got to the stage where it just kept on breaking, and we were just 70 kilometres short of the world record. So we thought we would try and pull it the rest of the way. So we spent 3 days pulling 70 kilometres, this 800-kilogram tuk-tuk.
After a successful visit to a mechanic, the teachers were finally able to climb back into their tiny 3-wheeled vehicle and reached Lima on Friday. It's all part of an attempt to raise money for children living in poverty and promote education.
We started talking about going on a long expedition in one of these vehicles, in a tuk-tuk. Then we became teachers. We got really interested in education, in development, in the role that education can play within development. And we thought that we wanted to try and engage young people in these issues.
So far, Nick and Richard have travelled 23,301 miles across 37 countries and have already managed to break the current world record. But they'll have to drive or drag their tuk-tuk to the finish line in Rio de Janeiro before their attempt is officially entered into the record books. Claire Brennan, BBC News.